Hi, this is Sriparna from Sriparna Cuisine, and today we are going to make noodle wrapped chicken, or you can also call it thread chicken. These are the required ingredients for our recipe. For this recipe, we need 2 pound or 1 kg of boneless chicken cut into finger shapes, and then add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of green chili paste. Add juice of whole lime. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Adjust heat according to your palate. Add salt to taste and 2 teaspoons of crushed black peppercorns. Remember, you have already added soy sauce, so be careful with the salt. Add 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix everything properly and marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes. Take 300 gram boiled noodles. We just boiled our noodles, drained the water and washed it with cold water, and then applied some oil. You can take spaghetti, you can take chow mein, which is easily available for you. Now in that add 4 tablespoons of corn flour and mix them up. It's now time to noodle wrap our chicken. Take some boiled noodles, straight them out, and then place a piece of chicken in between them and then wrap it. It is very simple and easy. Let's repeat another one. It is very easy, right? Now if you want, you can fry them right away or you can refrigerate them. If you want to refrigerate them, cover them with a cling film so that the noodles doesn't dry out. We refrigerated them. I made it beforehand in the afternoon so that we can enjoy it in the evening snacks. Deep fry your noodle wrapped chicken on a medium flame, otherwise your noodles will be burnt from the outside and the chicken will be undercooked. Fry them crisp golden brown. Our chicken is now ready. Enjoy this unique chicken starter recipe in your snacks or earn an extra credit by serving it to your guests. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon for more recipe updates.